Hello guys, thank you so much for watching and thanks so much for tuning into this video. Okay, my name is Mr. Pauline. So in today's video we're gonna be looking at this car diagram. So the reason why I've chosen to do this car diagram today is because not a lot of students get to understand or get the significance of stop lines or their implications rather. So we're just going to be looking at that. So before we begin, I would like to encourage you to take a moment to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like and share it with your friends if you think that this can be something that they can benefit from. Anyways guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for subscribing if you've done so. So in today's video we have a question, and the question states which car goes second. We're looking at the car that goes second, right? So we got this car diagram and we got car C, car A and car B. So for learning purposes we're going to be discussing which car goes first, which one goes second, which car goes last, and we're going to be describing why that car goes first and why that car goes second and things like that. So before I'm explaining anything, I just like to know of our special packages that we offer. We do have the VID study booklets. So these ones, they're available, right? If you want them, you can just get in touch with the numbers right there on the screen. So this contains all over 500 computerized questions that you can revise. So these are the questions that are typically found in your final exam. Okay, so we got three cars here: car C, car A and car B. So for learning purposes we're going to be discussing which car goes first, which car goes second, which car goes last. Okay, so as you can see here, we have two cars that have a stop line, and this car doesn't have a stop line. So car C and car B, they have a stop line, and car A doesn't have a stop line. So what is the implication of a stop line? Well, if you have been following me for a long time, you know that on a car diagram a stop line is as good as a stop sign. So stop line is what we call a transverse line. So this line right is as good as a stop sign. So in essence what we are just saying that this car should stop immediately behind the stop line and give the right of way to traffic that is approaching from both sides. When we say traffic from both sides, we mean from the left and from the right. So this car should stop immediately behind the stop line and give the right of way to traffic that is approaching from both sides. Okay, so which means that C and B, they should stop immediately behind the stop line. They should give right of way to A. So A goes first here. Okay, so A goes first. So after A is gone, we are looking for the car that goes second. So which car goes second? Well, that's a very good question. Okay, so we are now left with these two cars that are behind the stop line. Okay, so which car between the two will go second? Well, to correctly find the correct answer to that, we have to analyze their movement, analyze their direction of travel. Okay, so we got car B that is going straight and car C wants to turn right. Well, if you see that we have that kind of a scenario, we are immediately reminded of a road rule. And can you guess what that road rule is? Well, it's very simple, right? We have one car that is going straight and another car that wants to turn right, and these are what to call oncoming traffic, which means that they are moving closer to each other, they are facing each other. Okay, so oncoming traffic, right? So one thing that you need to know is that for an oncoming traffic you should never turn right. So to put that in a simpler way, do not turn right at an oncoming traffic. That's a road rule, right? Okay, so car C should not turn right in front of B. So what that means is that car C should have to give the right of way to car B because it cannot turn right in front of car B. So our second car to go in this case will be B, and obviously the last car will now be C. C will be the last car and B will be the second. Okay, so A will be the first. So we have A going first, B going second, and C going third. So just to summarize a bit, we use the concept of the stop lines to say that these cars go last. Okay, and because A doesn't have a stop line, so A goes first. Okay, so after that, then we need to determine which one of those two will go second. And we also saw that C was turning right in front of an oncoming traffic there, so which means that C should not turn right in front of oncoming traffic. So what happens is that B goes second and last it will be C. Okay, so it's A, B and C. Okay, so A goes first, B goes second and C goes third. Okay, so which car goes second? It has to be B. Car B goes second. That's our correct answer there. Well guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you learned a lot. If this one was very helpful, just let me know in the comment sections. Just say helpful, I've understood this. It's very important guys, so that I know that the thing that I'm dishing out to you, they are actually helpful and a lot of people are benefiting from them. Okay, so it's very important that you just let me know that this one was very helpful and you learned a lot from it. So thanks so much guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel if this content is very helpful to you and if you find help on this channel. So thanks so much. I'll see you later in the next video. Goodbye.